There was a time in my life when my greatest struggle was not hunger, not loneliness, not even fear of the future. It was the noise inside my own mind. Thoughts appear without invitation. You are not enough. You will fail. If you have heard these voices, you are not alone. Today, I want to share what I have learned about overcoming negative thoughts, not by fighting them, but by understanding them. Most people believe every thought they think. But a thought is not a command, and it is not who you are. When I was a young monk, I asked my teacher how to remove disturbing thoughts. He gave me a cup of muddy water and said, "Make it clear." The more I stirred it, the worse it became. Then he said, "Place it down and wait." The mud settled. The water became clear. The mind works the same way. Negative thoughts are like mud. The more you fight them, the more attention you give them. Thoughts are visitors. Some bring wisdom. Some bring fear. You do not have to invite them to stay. A traveler once asked me, "How do I stop thinking negatively about myself?" I asked him, "When clouds pass through the sky, does the sky disappear?" You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that notices them. First, observe without judgment. Watch the thought like a leaf floating down a river. Second, return to the present moment. Feel your breath. This is where negative thoughts are weakest. Third, take right action. Do not wait for perfect thoughts. Move forward anyway. Success is not the absence of negative thoughts. It is the ability to walk forward without obeying them. My teacher once said, "You cannot stop birds from flying over your head, but you can stop them from building a nest." When a negative thought appears, pause. Breathe. Observe. Choose wisely. Peace does not come from a silent mind. Peace comes from a mind that no longer fears its own thoughts. You are already enough.